Divide 125 into two parts such that twice one part is equals to thrice the other part. See here, before this I'm having here 100, okay, and in this question they didn't mention that dividing into equal parts. They didn't mention anything, but they are asked us to divide into two parts here. For example, here I'm having 100. If I first, this 100 is I wanted to divide into two parts here, okay. If I divided the first part like a 40, the remaining will be 60, right? 60 plus 40 is 100. Now how I got this? I got like a 100 minus 40. When I'll get a 60 here, okay. Similarly, in this question I'm having 125, okay, and here 125 into two parts. I don't know which are the two parts here. So if I consider one part as a x and other part will be now like this. If I return, it will become 125 minus x, okay. Like 125 I'm dividing in the two parts. If the one part is x and other part will be 125 minus x, like this here, okay. Now in that, divide 125. Yes, we divide it into two parts such that twice one part is, if it is, this is one part and this is another part. If I consider this as a twice the part is equals to, equal means we have to put here equal sign, is equals to the thrice the other part. Now if it is one part, this will become now other part here. So this part will be thrice, that is nothing but 3. Yeah, okay. So this, now see here, twice the one part is equals to thrice the other part here, okay. Let the, this is 1, okay, let the one part x and other part is 125 minus x here, and according to the question we will get the algebraic expression like this, okay. Now to simplify further, first we will open this bracket here. 3 into 125, I'll get 375 here, minus sign is here, 3 into x, that is 3x here, okay. Now for further simplification, I'll bring the like terms to the one side. Here it is 2x, let it be as it is. Now I'm bringing this minus 3x to the left side. When I'll bring it will become plus 3x, okay, and 375, let it be in the right side. Now here it is a like terms, okay. 2 plus 3 I'll get, that is 5x here, equals to 375. Now to calculate the x, I am shifting 5 to the right side. So when I'll shift, it will become in the division form, okay. Now see here, okay. Now 5, how much is a 375? 575 is a 375 here. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 37 minus 35, left with the 2 here. Here we are having 25, that is 5 5 is a 25, okay. So x value we will find, that is 75 here. So now we found one part of the number and we need to find other part also, right? That is 125 minus x here, and x value we found, that is 75. Now let me substitute in the place of x, that is 75 here. After subtraction I'll get here, that is 50 here, okay. Now it means the 125 which has been divided into two parts. So first part is, that is 75, and the other part is what is, that is 50 here. And whether we found these numbers or whether it is correct or no, so for that what we can do the cross check, okay. For that I'm going to use the same expression what we found according to the question here. So in the place of x, what we need to do, we need to substitute the x value here. So here 2 into 75 equals to 3 in the bracket 125 minus 75 here, okay. Now 75 2s are, I'll get 150 here, and this side, right side, here first we need to subtract 125 minus 75, I'll get, that is 50 here, okay. Now see here, 3 into 50, I'll get 150, okay. So this is what LHS equals to RHS. So hence what the numbers we found which are the correct here, okay, that is 75 and a 50 here.